Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can enable the sleep mode on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. If I click on my start button and then make a right click on the power button, I don't have the sleep mode enabled right here. So how can we enable that? Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type control panel. Click on control panel under the best match. Now here you need to view this into large icons. If this is viewed by category, change that to large icons and click on power options. Here in the list of options in the left pane, you have to look for choose what the power button does. And here you'll find shutdown settings sleep, but this is grayed out and we cannot make any changes from here. So click on change settings that are currently unavailable. And simply check this box sleep. Show in power menu. Click on save changes. And now if I click on the start button, right click on the power button, now we have the sleep mode enabled in here. So we can simply click on sleep mode if you want to make our Windows sleep for a while. And that's it. That's how you can easily enable the sleep mode on your Windows. Then you can also click on change plan settings and click on restore default settings for this plan. And then close this, and then you just have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows, and then you can now or you have just enabled the sleep mode on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.